Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, I want to talk about this wig that I'm wearing. It's been a while since we did a hair video, so sit back, relax, and let's go. So first things first, this is a human blend. Mainly synthetic, I want to say though, like these companies will say it's a human blend, but it's really just like Futura fiber with like a higher grade something, or it's like 99% synthetic, and then so overall it is a synthetic wig, but according to the packaging it is a human blend. This wig comes to us from Main Concept. It's their brown sugar line, and this is from their Barbie series. The name of this wig is Skipper, and the color I'm wearing is a 1B rainbow. The length I want to say is like a good 40-inch at least. Right, we're looking at 38 to 40 inches on this wig. It does take heat very well. I keep my flat iron on 300, and then my crimper I put it on the low setting instead of the high setting, because again, while it does take high amounts of heat, I don't want to put too much heat because then it won't hold the curl. It'll just be limp and flat. If you want it to be bone straight, then yes, you can bump up your iron to 500 or whatever. But if you want to actually have some defined curls or waves or whatever, you want to keep your iron on no more than, well, for me personally, I like 300 as my setting. You could do 350 because the packaging does say it goes up to 350 degrees. It being a human blend, it can take higher amounts, but yeah. So this wig, looking as you can see based on the pictures and what's on my head, the wig does come with bigger curls, right? And then the front, I did cut some layers, some pieces in the front. So yeah, this is how the color looks. It has pink, blue, yellow, and I think lime green is in there. But it's only literally right here on the front. Everything else is 1B. So yeah, the curls in this wig, they do come bigger, but it was just doing too much for me. Like, because the whole wig, they curled it in one direction, so like this side would like go back, but this side would come forward, and that was annoying. That's another reason why I cut it into layers, so that I could do like a feathered like a curtain bang thing going on, but that wasn't working either. I tried to curl with my big barrel curler. It curled it, but the curl would still try to revert and go this way. Eventually, after maybe 2 days of wearing it in its natural state, I brushed it out, flat ironed it straight, and then went in with my big barrel waver. That's what's giving it these crimps right now. I realized that with these synthetic wigs, the crimper, especially for wavy hairstyles, wavy wigs, they tend to want to go back to how they came initially, fresh out the box. So I realized that whenever I get a wavy wig, the crimper is my best friend. If I get a straight wig, then I could do a wand curl, or I could do a big barrel curl, and it will give me nice big body waves. I should probably no, I was gonna say try to do wand curls with this, like with an actual, like a tapered wand curler, but that seemed like it's like a bit too much work, honestly. I'm gonna stick with the crimps. The crimps, or the mermaid waves, or whatever you want to call them, have been like low-key, high-key my signature look. So that's what we're working with right now. I've had this wig for, I want to say, a full week now. Yes. She does well. I use the lace spray to glue it down. I don't use actual lace glue, because the last time I used lace glue, it left me with a really bad chemical burn on my forehead, and that was not cute. So we use the lace spray. I know we're supposed to be boycotting Ebin, but that's what I've been using. And I promise you the outrage is only online. However, Janet Collection, they do make a really good lace melting spray. I believe it's their Isha line that has it. That one melts like a dream. Okay, I also want to say a pro tip: when you're wearing your lace like for long periods of time, like days and days and days, and you realize that all of a sudden your lace start lifting. I don't know if you notice, if you watch prior videos, you'll see like my lace looking like it want to lift up. That's because your lace needs to be cleaned. Clean off your lace. And that's another reason why I prefer to use a lace spray, because I could just put a little bit of shampoo right there on the lace, rub it up, and all the product is gone. With glue, it's a mess. So I stick to lace sprays. Anything else with this wig? I don't put a lot of product. I was using the Mazzani serum, the Heat Protects and Thermal serum on my wigs, but I decided to try this oil-free wig shine by Bonefee. Now with that one, it will make your hair super greasy. So what I do, especially if I'm around people who smoke, or if I'm around somewhere with, you know, food smells or whatever, the next day or the same day, whatever, I'm curling my hair, I'll take the Bonefee wig spray, 2 pumps in the palm of my hand, and rub it up, run it through the hair, brush, and then apply my hot tools to it. Scent is completely gone and it smells nice and fresh. So Bonefee oil-free wig shine, but do not spray it directly to your wig because you're going to end up looking a hot, greasy mess. One time while I was styling this wig, oh my god, like me and this wig been through so much already. It's just a short span of time. So I'm telling people, right? So I was telling people on Instagram, 2 pumps in the palm of my hand, rub my hands together, apply it to the wig, and then go, right? Tell me why, as I'm sectioning my hair and crimping it, I'm still doing the 2 pumps and putting it in my hair. So you don't see the whole head full of I don't know. What? It still came out looking cute, mainly because I did put the heat on it. So you can use a little bit more, but I would recommend that you don't, because while my hair still looked cute and okay, to me it was, you know, kind of greasy. It did give it a wet-ish look though, so I wasn't mad at that. I was not mad at that. This wig, it cost $59.99 in my local beauty supply store. It comes also in this pretty like ash blonde at the roots, fading down into like a number 8-ish, 613-ish type of vibe going. That's the one I was going to get, but I'm like, I can't wear this forever. This is like a one weekend look. This is not like a everyday, you know. Yeah, like the colors in this are already bold enough, like bibs. It does not come in a number 2, which is what I normally would have gotten. They have 1B, this one with the rainbow. They have auburn, they have the blonde I was just talking about, and I think they have a red, if I'm not mistaken. They have a red. Now prior to this wig, and prior to the wig I just took off, it was a human hair wig, I had the sister version of this on my head, which was the bone straight one, and that one I had in a 1B. That one is called Whitney, also from the Barbie series. I'm not sure how many wigs they have in the Barbie series, but this is one, and the Whitney wig is another. And the Whitney also comes in all the colors I just listed, plus another rainbow one. I think it has more rainbow. Like, you see how this one, the rainbow is underneath? The other one, the rainbow, I think is like more on top. Yes, and that's the Whitney. But this one here, her name is Skipper. Again, she's a human blend, $59.99, and I want to say the length is 40 inches in comparison to all the other wigs that were on the mannequins. The last one that showed the length was a 38 inch, and this is longer than the 38, so it's at least a 40, maybe even more. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, it only comes in the middle part. It's not a free part. The lace itself, there's no extra space right here. It's just like a quarter, not even a quarter inch, like a quarter centimeter of lace. But you know, it do it for though. It do it for though. It cute. This is it. Let me get a little tips of a close up. I cut off lace, all like majority of the lace is cut off, and then that's how she looking. That's how she looking. You know, yeah. But focus back on me, please. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. There we go. But yeah, if you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, please leave it in the comment section below. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Yes, it does come with baby hairs. I plucked out the baby hairs so that it would look like this. Bye.